Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So from today we will start our Python series. We will learn about the Python from basic to advanced. So today we will explore what is Python is and why it is so popular. I will walk you through your first line of Python code. So let's get started. So first of all, let's understand what is Python. So Python is a high language. It is an interpreted programming language and it is an object-oriented language. It is simple and easy to read and write, and it is used in many fields like for web development, for AI, for machine learning, and for automation. In all the fields, we are using Python. There is a large community and libraries of the Python. It has a huge community. So if there is any issue in the Python, so we can discuss in the community. And there is why it is so robust is because it has a big libraries. For all the tasks, there are different libraries in the Python, which make it more robust and versatile. And most important thing is job demand. So in current situation, Python is widely used language in all the organization because for automation and for AI application development and for any other automation task and scripting, Python is currently being used in all the organizations. So it is very important for us to learn the Python in today's scenario. So what are the key features of Python? So it is easy to learn and write, and we will learn how to write the code in the Python in this series. And this is cross platform. We can write the program and we can run it in multiple platform in Windows, Mac or Linux. It is object oriented and functional. So like there are various object oriented languages like Java. So in same way in Python also we have object and classes, and it also follows the practices of object oriented programming like inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction. So these things make it object oriented. We will learn more about these things in our coming videos. And there is a huge ecosystem, like there is a huge libraries in the Python like pandas, numpy, flask, which we can use for creating web applications or do some calculations or build the AI application. So these there are huge libraries in the Python, so we can do any task, we can do any automation and scripting with the Python. And in the today's world, all the AI applications are in Python only. So we need to learn the Python. What are the use cases? As we discussed earlier, that we can use the Python in various fields, such as for web development, for data science. In data science, we have the data analysis, visualization. In machine learning and AI, we are using the Python for creating the predictive models and NLP application development, automation and scripting to automate the regular task, web scraping and file handling, game development. There are basic game we can build with the Python, and cyber security, hacking, IoT and hardware and app development. So in every field, we are using the Python, and we can build our application very easily with the use of Python. So so that's why we are learning the Python, and it will be a good for your future, for your career growth. So we should learn the Python. So in today's video, we will learn about the variables, comments, and we will also create our first Python program. So let's get started. So first of all, let's understand what is the variables in the Python. Hope my visual, you need to open your Visual Studio, Visual Code. So here, first of all, let me create one folder. Day one, okay. So here I am creating one file, program one. So we will first create our program one dot py. So in Python, each file we need to save with dot py extension. So first of all, let's create our first program. We will print anything. If you want to print anything, you can just write print and then you can write. So today, this is my first Python program. You can save it. Now you can click here or you can click on the terminal, new terminal. System is a little bit slow. Wait for a few minutes. This is my first program. So with the print statement, we can print anything using the print command. So let me tell you that how we can use the comment. So for one line comment, we can use the hash and then you can write anything. So this will increase the readability of your program. So anyone else, if they see the program, they can understand what this code about. So here you can mention your author or details about the program. Like this is Python program. So this is a comment. So this will not run. This will be ignored by the interpreter. And if we don't use this hash sign symbol, so we will get the error. So to increase the readability of the program, we use the comment. So this is one line comment, and if we want to use multi-line comment, so we can use this 3 times. This is so let me tell you the shortcut. What you can do in the VS Code, you can just press Control and slash. So it will comment your all lines very easily. So let's run our first program. This is my first Python program. So Python, and you need to go inside the directory. So this is under day 1. Now Python and then file name. My file name is program 1.py. So yeah, you have written your code. This is my first program. Yeah, you have written your first school, right? So it's easy to write the code in the Python. So let's understand what are the variables. So variables are used to store the values, and variable can be of any name, such as let's consider it name. Name could be a variable, and then here you can give the value name. You can give anything. Let's see. Let's I have given this name Ram. So you are assigning one value to the variable. So variables are used to store the values, and you can store any value in a variable, and you don't need to define any data types. It's like in other languages in C or Java, you need to first define if it is integer or string or float. But in this Python, you don't need to define any data type. You can just create variable. Like I have creating one other variable x is equal to 20. So here you are not giving any data type. You are just creating the variable and assigning the value. Now let me print these variables. So to print it, you can just use the same print and then variable name. So it will print the name. Then print x. Now let me run this code. Same command Python program 1. So it has printed Ram and 20. So this is how we can create the variables, and we can print the values. So that's all for today session, and in the next video we will discuss more about the Python programming. We will learn more new concept. So please like, share and subscribe to the channel and stay tuned. That's all for today. Thank you all for joining. Have a great day ahead. Bye.